Good morning students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In today's class we are going to discuss some question and answers from chapter 2, that is virus alert, which will help you in the revision. So let's start the topic. So first question is, what is computer virus? A computer virus is a small software that may disturb the normal working of computer system without the knowledge and permission of user, which means virus attach itself to the file, flash drive, hard disk and email attachments. And a file containing a virus is called infected files. Now the second question is types of computer viruses. So there are basically 8 types of computer viruses. First is macrovirus. Second is memory resident virus. Third is file infector virus. Fourth is directory virus. Fifth is direct action virus. Sixth is boot sector virus. Seventh is multi-parted virus. Eighth is email virus. So third question is, explain any 3 types of viruses. So we will be discussing memory resident virus, file infector virus and email virus. So first is memory resident virus. This virus install itself as a part of operating system first, and they only act when the operating system starts running, after which any open file could get infected. They are normally found hiding in the RAM, random access memory. So examples are Rendex CMJ. Second is file infector virus. So file infector virus attack a file, particularly exe file, and deletes the information they may contain. These viruses simply replace the content represent in the infected file with the junk content. So the virus such as trj.reboot and Prival88D. And the third is email virus. Email virus is also known as a hijack user's email account to replicate itself. It infects an email program such as Microsoft Outlook and gain access to its address book. Basically, email are sent to the email addresses available in the address book, each containing a copy of the virus hiding in an email, and the virus then activates itself when the email is opened to another computer. So the fourth question is, give some example of viruses. As you can see in the screen, there is a table where I mentioned virus name and their examples respectively. So let's start with macrovirus. Example, Relax Malaysia A O97M. Second is memory resident virus. Example is Rendex CMJ. Third is file infector virus. Example is trj.reboot, Prival88D. Directory virus. Example is dir2 virus. Direct action virus. Example is Vienna virus. Boot infector virus. Example is brain virus. Multi-parted virus. Example is Flip, Invader and Tequila. Fifth question is difference between virus and worm. As you can see in the screen, I have divided virus and worm separately in the table. So first is the virus attach itself to executable file and transfer from one system to other system. In other hand, a worm is a malicious program that replicates itself, can spread to different computer via network. Second point is virus needed human action, which means human intervention is required for virus. In other hand, worm doesn't require human action, means human intervention doesn't required for worm. Third point is slower as compared to worm. Virus is slower as compared to worm in terms of spreading. In contrast, worm is fast in the speed of spreading. Fourth point is host is needed for spreading, which means virus doesn't run independently. It needed host, where host can be any software, any program, or any file or document or PDF. In other hand, worm doesn't need a host to replicate from one computer to another, which means worm runs independently. Fifth and last point is corrupt and erase a file or program. Virus basically corrupt and erase a file or a program. In other hand, worm consumes system resource and slow down it and can halt the system completely. So this is the basic difference between virus and worm.